Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video of Boat Bum Fly Company. We're out here at one of our local parks. I'm gonna be testing out some new flies I just tied. We're gonna be throwing this little sun belly pattern. We're gonna be throwing it around trees. Got a bunch of structure, really cool layout. So hoping to do some damage today. Come along with me, and thanks again for clicking on the video. Look at this super pretty little tunnel we got going back in here. It leads back to a finger. Super pretty, tons of structure. Got one on the rabbit strip. Small guy, but got one on the rabbit strip. That's pretty sick. Pretty sick. Beautiful fish. Beautiful fish, thank you. This rabbit strip works pretty well. I mean, I tied it yesterday. Gotten a couple bites on the smaller ones like the one you just saw, but that was the first fish landed. Super simple, just brush head, rabbit strip tail, and some flash. Let's keep fishing. Got another one on the rabbit strip. A little bit bigger than the last, maybe about the same size. Oh man. Oh yeah. Such a sick fish. So, he inhaled that thing. This little bunny strip is doing its job today. Beautiful fish. This rabbit strip looks really good in the water. It's doing its job. We're just kind of working bank lines around structure. Stripping it kind of like a minnow, letting it pause. They've been eating on that pause, so we'll keep grinding, keep getting after it. It's 2 fish in probably like 2 hours. It's a pretty slow day, but it's cool to be out here. It's super pretty. The wind's not as bad, so we'll keep grinding for you. I just hooked another one right when I turned off the camera. He seems to be a little bit more decent. Oh yeah, nice fish. Really nice fish. Maybe a couple pounds. Yeah. Sweet. Oh man, it's a lot thicker than the other. Maybe like a pound, 2 pounds maybe. Really nice fish. Oh yeah, beautiful fish. Really nice. He inhaled it, so let's see if we can. Yeah, real nice fish. Look at that cut on him. Holy cow! Something got a hold of him, but see if we can get this out. Really nice fish there. I don't know what happened to. Look at his belly. That's crazy. I haven't seen anything like that before, but beautiful fish. Release him. I hope he heals from that and gets better. Get a little bigger so we can catch him again. Good stuff. Good stuff. This is a downside. Taking the paddleboard out is when it's windy. They kind of push you in everywhere and you get hung, and it's just a mess. But part of it, part of the journey. All right. Finally got out of the wind. Been able to hit the bank. There's not as much structure as we'd like, but sometimes these fish sit off the bank a little bit on structure that you can't see. So we're just gonna work it pretty far out. And then once it's maybe like 15 feet off the bank line, we'll throw it back in, kind of repeat the process, because you just never know with bass and all the all the structure that's like underneath that you can't really see. That guy right there, see the gator right up there? He's got like a tannish back, pretty decent size, maybe like 4 or 5 feet. Big boy. Got a visitor. You want to know why I love bass fishing so much? It's because you could have a you could have a pretty big size fly, right? And then catch, look at that. Let's just do a comparison. All right, you ready? Here's the rabbit strip. So I'm just smacked right in front of me. Here's the rabbit strip I'm throwing, right? Look at that. That is crazy. I love bass. What a beautiful fish. Look at the design on it. Get bigger so I can catch you again, brother. We are running out of daylight, so I'm probably gonna, look at this little water turkey right here. We are running out of daylight, so he's all flared up. Oh. There's another one right here on this tree. Probably fish. Fish this little back cove and then head home. Look how sick this is. We got a bunch of like fallen trees kind of in the water, kind of guarding that back lagoon. I'd love to go back there under that tree, but I don't have a lot of daylight left. But look how sick that is. Just makes you wonder what it looks like under the water. I mean, I'm just so lucky to get to come out here and just be this peaceful and this beautiful, this calm. Spending time in God's creation is just something we get such a privilege of being able to have. And it's just, you got to take advantage of these moments. It's just so peaceful out here, and it's a great little paddle on the way in. Not a lot of people know about this place, so it's pretty quiet. And God is good, man. I'm blessed to be able to come out and do this. You know, be able to come out here and record YouTube videos, even though I have a small following. It's just awesome to have the opportunity. Always be grateful for the opportunities that you have, no matter how small they are. You know, I get off at 2, I work 6 to 2. I get to come out here and fish for a couple hours, and it's just awesome. So always try to take advantage of these little hour and a half, 2 hour sessions, because it's the little moments like this that make life special. This is the rabbit fly that I threw today. I caught all those bass on. Super easy to tie. It's just a little long Magnum rabbit strip with some flash, a little bit of EP brush for the head. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thanks for clicking on it. If you enjoyed the content, please leave a like and a subscribe, and I'd love to hear from you guys in the comments on what you'd like to see from me next.